Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for your daily dose of sugar.
Hey guys, as you already know, we have a huge giveaway going on. So stay till the end to know about the giveaway. For now, let's head on to the video.
Hey guys, I'm Nidhi and in today's video I'll be creating a colorful matte makeup look. Starting off, I use this illuminating moisturizer on the highest points of my face and a primer, concentrating it mainly on my nose, cheek and chin region, and patted the primer in. For my foundation, I am using the shade Corn Panna and I applied stripes all over my face and neck. Then I'm using this new launch, which is the Grand Finale Setting Mist, and I use this to wet my sponge, and then I use that beauty blender's butt to blend my foundation in. I really love the spray on the setting mist. It's very fine and has a mild fragrance, which I really loved. Yes, once that is done, next moving on to concealer. Now for concealer, I used a lighter shade, which is Chocochino, and applied it under my eyes to cover the dark circles, and then on the bridge of my nose, in the center of my eyebrows, Cupid's bow and chin. And then using the same sponge, I blended the concealer, starting off by blending the vertical plane of our face first, and then I started blending the under eye concealer. As you can see, the coverage is really bomb on these concealers. And then I also used whatever was left on my sponge all over my eyelids. Next up, I filled in my brows using the brow shaper, and then I just made small strokes wherever I found sparse gaps in my eyebrows, and used the spoolie end of the brow shaper to comb through my brows. And I also used the matte setting mist and sprayed it on the spoolie and used it to brush through my eyebrows so that my eyebrow hair stays set and put in place. Then I also used some foundation to clean the tops of my eyebrow, and the same highlighting shade of concealer to clean the bottom of my eyebrow. In this way, we get the nice highlighted and sculpted eyebrow look. And then I just blended it all out using the same beauty blender. Once that is done, moving on to powdering, I'm using this banana powder and I set underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin and forehead region. I also use the same powder to give a cut illusion underneath my cheekbone. And then in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we're gonna remove it. I'm already a dry skin type, so I do not bake for a really long time, but if you are an oily skin person, you can definitely bake for 20-30 seconds. So once that is done, I also used the highlighting variant of the setting mist all over my neck and collarbones to add that glow. And then here I'm using the Contour de Force mini contour and use this to bronze up and contour my cheekbones. I used it in the hollows of my cheek, temples and the periphery of my face and jawline. So once that is done, I just pinch the brush and use the same contour very lightly around the bridge of my nose to add nice dimension to it. And then with whatever was left on the brush, I just went all over my eyelids. Once that's done, I laid some color on my cheeks using this beautiful pink blush all over the apples as well as a nose. And then to remove all the powderiness, I used the matte variant of the Grand Finale Setting Mist. Then I used the face forward highlighter stick on the tops of my cheekbone, bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, chin, on my brow bone, and then just blended it all out. For my eyeshadow look, starting off with this beautiful brown shade. Then I used a mixture of the black as well as the brown shade, concentrating it in the outer V. Then I sprayed some setting spray on my flat brush and used this beautiful foiled rose gold shade and applied it in a kind of winged way all over with the flat brush. You see why I did so. So from the second palette I used this beautiful coral shade, and with the blending brush I just blended the shade all out. I just love that smoky look. It just looks very flattering on my kind of eye shape. And then I added loads of mascara and finished this look with this beautiful metal lipstick. And yes, that's it. That's the finished colorful makeup look. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this look, then do leave us a heart, and I'll meet you in my next one. Till then, take care. Namaste.
Well, that's it for today. Now guys, please head over to the video that you're seeing on screen to participate in our contest. Answer a simple question over there and stand a chance to win sugar goodies worth rupees 10,000. Good luck!